Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Everyone, here is a new video. Hope you enjoy it. Are you tired of waking up feeling groggy and unmotivated? Do you wish you could start your mornings full of energy and ready to conquer the day? Well, in this video, I'm going to share the ultimate morning routine that will transform your life. Stay tuned till the end, and let's make your mornings powerful and productive. Step 1. Wake up early. The most successful people in the world have one thing in common: they don't hit the snooze button. Set your alarm for a consistent time every day, preferably between 5 o'clock and 7 a.m. This gives you a head start before the world wakes up. Step 2. Hydrate your body. As soon as you wake up, drink a glass of water. Your body gets dehydrated overnight, and water kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and boosts your energy. You can also add a slice of lemon for extra freshness. Step 3. Practice gratitude and mindfulness. Next, take a moment to practice gratitude and mindfulness. Before you grab your phone, pause and think about 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit shifts your mindset and sets a positive tone for the day. Step 4. Move your body. Now it's time to wake up your body. Exercise is a game changer for energy and productivity. It doesn't have to be an intense workout. A 10-minute stretch, a quick jog, or some yoga will do wonders. Movement boosts endorphins, improves focus, and gets your blood flowing. Step 5. Take a cold shower. If you really want an instant energy boost, take a cold shower. Cold showers wake up your nervous system, increase circulation, and boost your mood. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but trust me, you'll feel amazing afterward. Step 6. Eat a nutritious breakfast. Let's fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Ditch the sugary cereals and opt for something rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats like eggs, oats, smoothies, or avocado toast. Your brain and body need the right nutrients to stay sharp and energized. Step 7. Plan your day. Now, it's time to get organized. Take 5 minutes to plan your top 3 priorities for the day. This simple habit will give you direction and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. Remember, a productive day starts with a clear plan. Step 8. Avoid distractions. Before you dive into work, avoid distractions. Stay off social media and email first thing in the morning. Instead, focus on something productive. Read a book, listen to a podcast, or work on a personal goal. This will help you start your day with intention instead of stress. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to be your most productive self. Which morning habit do you already do? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.